Hi, I'm Bryce of Bellingham Marine. I'm a project development manager, and my project on this was to work with Safe Harbor to develop a plan for future marina upgrades that would satisfy their current requirements for now and into the future.
Hi, my name's Garrett McKinney. I'm the general manager at Safe Harbor Ventura Isle. From the start to the finish, Bellingham Marine executed with excellence with us in accommodating our membership, giving us plenty of prior notice when moves had to be made, power outages, water shutoffs, things of that nature.
My name is Armando Alonso. I'm the project manager for Bellingham Marine. I was in charge of rebuilding the Safe Harbor project here at Ventura Isle. We're happy that our customer, Safe Harbor, happy with the project, happy with the product.
Bellingham worked quickly and efficiently to utilize our property from the setup, and the communication was key in this project because we were not going to ask any of our membership to leave. Bellingham Marine assisted us with limiting the burnout and the effects on our membership through this process.
Bellingham Marine approached this project for Safe Harbor as a turnkey general contractor in a design-build mentality. We handled the entire process from design and engineering, permitting, demolition of the existing marina and disposal of all the docks and piles, to landside work, including new utility routing, ADA gangways, abutments, security gates, and of course all the electrical, plumbing, fire suppression work, and the dock installation that goes along with it. Particularly enjoyable on this project was working with a company like Safe Harbor. Their commitment to their members and the overall marina experience dovetails very nice with Bellingham Marine's commitment to the best marinas that we can build. This project had a lot of details that were ideas from Safe Harbor to enhance their customer experience. Things that were required, like ADA access, but was embellished with a sliding security gate so it can easily be accessed by somebody with a disability. We added party platforms in a couple of locations. We added public access areas where you could easily access with canoes and paddleboards and kayaks. The member platforms, party platforms, were particularly exciting to do. These incorporate wide open spaces with movable seating and lighting at night and grills, and just areas where Safe Harbor members can come and enjoy being on the water by their boat and in this great atmosphere at Ventura Isle Marina.
Bellingham Marine was in step with us every step of the way.
I want to thank everybody involved in the project, especially my guys. They all work hard, because without them, we couldn't provide this excellent marina here.